Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the AMT Ertl 1969 Plymouth GTX hardtop. It's one of my absolute favorite cars. Beautiful 125 scale. I don't know if I said that already. Beautiful looking kit there on the cover. Whoever did that did a really nice job. Here's some info on the actual vehicle. This says model kit specs, so this is actually on the actual car here. So we got a 390 horsepower 440 V8 in there, 4-speed manual, stock factory mags, custom wheels, Goodyear polyglass GTs, performance. Excuse me. Here's the side. This is kit number 6111. Plymouth's luxury muscle car, the GTX. Or it was the boss. It was a luxury car, it was the boss. Wow, that one was really on there. Alright. Comes in molded in gray. Alright. Go ahead and get right into it. I like it when they pack the body on the top because it's one of my favorite things to look at. You know, that is the whole car. You know, that's why we're buying it, for the body. There we go. That's sharp looking. Very nice. Reminiscent of the Cornet of that year too. Got a little bit of swoop down here. Well, that's neat. Different. Of course, we'll have to cut those out. Molded in windshield wipers on the front cowl there. Could use a good scribe in here to define them lines a little bit better. Other than that, it's very nice looking. Nice thickness. Here's the bottom part of the chassis. Right there with your frames in there and fuel tank. A little bit of definition on the bottom. Nice thickness. Nice and straight. I'm going to tuck that back into the body where it was. Make it easier to pack it away when the time comes. Here's the interior portion with molded in fuel pedal. And the, the full rubber mats, it looks like. Nice. Nothing going on the package tray. Here we have some very nice seats with the headrest molded in, seat backings, the back seat, single barrel intake manifold with a single barrel carb, a 4-barrel individual carb, one single carb, underneath of the hood, which allows for a cutout if you'd like it, console, and the interior door panels that almost look like wood grain. That could be what that is. I'm not positive on that, but that would be kind of cool. Have that in a wood grain with the blacked out or browned out arm pads on your armrest there. Here's molded in molded in yellow parts. Molded in gray parts. Unbelievable. Trouble with English language again, guys. Sorry. No need to even cut this one open. It's torn up so much I'm just going to rip it apart the rest of the way. This bag opens from the side apparently. Alright. We have firewall. Decent detail. Battery. Coolant tank. Windshield washer reservoir. I did it again. That's funny. There's 2 horns. These should be like the beep beep horns of a Roadrunner. I'm not positive though. One of these things, I don't know what that is. Dashboard with the brake and clutch pedal built in, molded in. Nice detail on the dash. Steering wheel, radiator, hood springs, firewall, radiator core support, coolant hoses, drive shaft, master cylinder there, inner fender wells, rear end, fan shroud, coil springs. These two little humps, I'm not sure what they are. Look at those in the instructions. Some exhaust parts. Wheel backings, engine halves again, separate transmission. Front timing chain cover and water pump, fuel pump, broken fan belt with the fan belt and pulley system, dual quad intake. Oh, nice cross ram intake, very nice little option there. 7-bladed fan. This is the hood scoop. I'm sorry, the air cleaner lower part. We'll probably see the upper part in the next tree. These are stock exhaust manifolds. Some deep rear wheels, inner tub rings there. Alright. Yep, here's your air cleaner. And the second part of the air cleaner, which goes on to that third part of the air cleaner. Engine block, another engine block. That's interesting. Let me see if I see that right. Yeah, look at there, guys. We got engine here and an engine here. Here an engine, there an engine, everywhere an engine. Choo-choo, right? All right, old McDonald. Oil pan, tri-carb setup for 3 2-barrel carbs. Another set of intake or exhaust manifolds. I'm sorry. Valve covers look like 440 valve covers. And here's your tri-carb setup. Another fan belt and pulley system. Very nice, very nice. A lot of nice options in this kit. I haven't seen this kit in a long time. Man, here's the K-frame member with your torsion bars and all that stuff on there. Front suspension parts. Possible sway bar there. Another set of exhaust. Wow. Nice. Alright, and we have 2 chrome trees. We'll get to those in a second. Here is the wonderful glass. Speaking of not wanting to scratch it up, there's the nice rear glass. Nice front windshield with side vents in it, and then 2 full side glasses. Put that there and keep it away from me right now. And here on the smaller tree, we have the classic GTX grille, front bumper and rear bumper, the panel that goes across the trunk. I can't remember what that's called. And then, oh, these are the taillight buckets, bezels, but those are like for a 69. This is a 69. Ay, ay, ay. Oh boy. This whole time, guys, I'm sorry, I for some reason thought this was a 68 GTX. It's a 69. That's why it's got the taillights that look like that. There we go. Nice going, Rich. Way to do your research ahead of time, right? Wow. Sorry, guys. At least I caught it, right? Oh my gosh. Too funny. Oh my gosh. Alright, so here we have two different wheel options. The nice factory mag look, which could use a little bit of touch up and opening up some of the holes. And then this style here, I don't know what brand that is, but they're okay looking. I prefer these myself. Here's another air cleaner in the bottom part of the air cleaner. Big old, those look like Hemi valve covers. The glare is hitting them a little too much. I can't see real well. Here are exhaust tips. Nice chrome shock absorbers. The tops, yep, little we'll call them velocity stack, but they're not really velocity stack, little air cleaners, and then these are little covers to go on top of those. And then the screened in little air cleaner, little custom job. 3 separate carburetors and a chrome rear cover, shifter, 2 different shifters. Interesting. Wow, definitely a lot of nice options in this kit. Now for tires we have decent looking tread, all Goodyears, all the same size. which would be just fine. I'm going to go ahead and do the decals because it's right here. This here's a Ertl Blueprinter card. We've all seen those now lately. And not much going on with the decals, guys. Mopar Muscle, 1969. The first state, GTX, and it's a Delaware state, or plate, because they were the first state, right? 446 pack. And some accent lines, that's it. Not a lot going on with the decals. Alright, instructions we have. Fairly decent write-up on the 69 GTX. Okay. Before you begin, go ahead and open this right up. Here's your engine putting together. Sections A, B, and C. Nice. This is the one of the versions of the air cleaner that I was speaking of. There's your chassis. Clean up your wheels, put them in there, slap them on. Another part of the chassis construction. Okay, flip it right over. Keep the crinkling down to a minimum. Here's your interior. Body assembly, and there you have it. Tail lights being one of the final product to go in. There you go. Well, alright folks, I hope you enjoyed that one. I was a little mixed up there, but I had a blast with it. And I hope to see you on the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and thank you to all the subscribers. I appreciate all you do and all your comments and that. It's wonderful. I love interacting with everybody. Have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.